Hey, hey, God, I beg. Like, this one is serious. What am I hearing? Wait, do you know that in this 2025, there is what we call digital and tech relationship? Wahala. Wahala no pass this one. Well, permit me to educate you. Just recently, some people did their wedding reception on TikTok, and that is the least of it. Like, the world in 2025 is becoming a tech place, and relationship, is changing the way people meet, the way people connect, the way people communicate, and the way people even find intimacy these days is digital, and it's wow, it's wow, it's wow. Mediated dating or intimacy is something to talk about in this our time. Because why is it so? Because our world is becoming a global village, and we're in a generation where we have the Gen Zs and the Gen Alpha exploring this digital thing, AI. They now have remote work. We now have people that are into remote work. You are in Africa, you are working in Europe, and there automatically you find love over there. Sometimes some people, because of the nature of their work, they're always indoors relating with their system. And so before you know it, they become, intimate with their AI assistant. Yes, they become intimate with their AI assistant. We have dating pools, dating app. Loneliness is increasing, so there are people that are lonely and looking for people to talk to chat with. And when people are not available, they resort to apps, dating AI, and the rest. Wow, it's crazy. It's really, really crazy. Like, technology has really affected the relationship of 2025, and I wonder what the next generation will look like. Most of these tech relationships, we have AI tools now that I won't be mentioning names, so because some people like to explore, and I don't know your take, but come on, I don't know your take. But AI tools for emotional communication. When someone is down, you see in the US and in some part of the world, you see that people now have their pals, their paddy, their lovers on the phone, and when they have issues, when they're emotionally down, they communicate with this AI, and this they find solace, they find upliftment, they find courage and empathy, with AI. They feel loved by AI because